bubbles.
Oh, hey, David. I really don't appreciate the way you try to steal attention on my birthday party, okay?
But look,
Listen, it's my birthday party. Hey, it's my birthday party and I can play with the bubbles. That's the rules.
it's just so much fun.
I know it's fun. But you could do that on your birthday party, okay? Don't
Hey,
do it on
David,
my birthday.
can we call you a fun David? Can you give us more of the bubbles? Please, fun David.
Hey, it's my birthday. If anything, you ask me or my mom for gifts, okay?
Paulie, it's just that when you blow the bubbles, they explode. I know how it's done, so don't you worry, Paulie. I can show you.
Hey, you making me feel left out on my own birthday. Is that what you want?
No, I just want to have fun. It's your birthday and you're upset. Come on.
Because you're stealing my bubbles.
Oh
It's
no,
not stealing
guys!
if you get it back.
Paul will start blowing bubbles. Should we go get some cake?
Got my
Yeah?
bubbles, everybody.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Paul,
Let's
you
go
can.
get some cake. Ew, it's all over us. Yeah. Let's go get more of the cake.
Hey, where you guys going? I'm blowing bubbles.
Oh, are you happy now?
Well, I did get to blow bubbles on my birthday.
You're just unhappy person. It doesn't matter you have bubbles or you don't have bubbles. You're just a little unhappy.
Yeah,
boy.
you take it. Take it. You think you could blow bubbles better than me on my own birthday?
I'm 9. I'm blowing better bubbles than you.
Well, I'm 12 and I can do lots of things better than you, okay?
Yeah, you could work on your emotions, and maybe if you can focus on your emotions, you can make such beautiful bubbles.
I can't believe I invited such immature people to my birthday party. Never again.
Okay, I've known Paul since first grade. We were sitting on the same desk, and today is Paul's wedding day, which is really important. And I would like to use this space to ask you, Svetlana, to be my wife.
Hey! Don't answer. So, no, this is my day. No, this
Go,
is...
man.
Oh,
Go, man. You're doing great, man.
It's my space. I can just talk whatever I like. Yes,
no, it's not your space. This is... no, this is my day. I'm paying for this wedding. I've been saving up for this wedding.
Well, yes, and I came here as your friend, and I'm giving my speech, and do you want to receive the full speech?
Dima,
This is a
Paul,
part of...
we're at Paul's funeral, but know who else died today? It's Sylvester Stallone.
Sylvester Stallone died.
That's what I'm saying, man. We should go watch some TV. His funeral is on TV now. We should turn on.
I can't believe I'm a ghost and I gotta watch people mourn Sylvester Stallone and not me. God, this is the worst.
Hey, Sylvester Stallone. I think we should make a cool movie. I know we're old, but we can still make some movies.
Yeah, you think so? I'm on oxygen now. I have to drag this cart of oxygen whenever I go, man. I'm not sure I can do that.
Expendable 7, motherfucker. We need you for this.
Oh no. Well, there is a global oxygen shortage, so I'm not sure I can waste it like that. Well, but that's sweet money, you know. Sweet. Maybe. Yeah, but oh no, my whole body aches in all the places, and my right leg has been amputated. Will that be a problem in the new movie?
Oh, we can fix it up, man. Just don't die. We need you.
Okay.
For the sweet money. Man.
Oh yeah, the franchise need to go on.
Me, when we fought in Rocky 3 and I almost kicked your ass. Remember those times? We made such sweet money.
Oh, you have a script, and in the script we will merge two franchises together. It's great.
We just need a good cameo from you. We don't need, man.
Well, as long as you pay me and I can afford more oxygen, then yes.
Okay, scene 1, take 1. Everyone, we're going to film everybody, we're going to film the scene where Sylvester Stallone.
I'm sorry, I'm Sylvester's agent.
Yeah.
And he's in a coma right now, but
that's fine.
So you will have to do everything yourself.
No.
Bernie style. Is that okay?
We're hoping it was at least that's fine. We're going to have him in the wheelchair boxing somebody anyway.
Okay. I already hooked up a hook into his lip right here. So so he can basically talk.
Okay, like a puppet.
He can talk already. So that's taken care of. I know how to do my job.
Hey, you're a good agent.
Director. I
just hold on.
For this
camera is getting heavy. Whew. Okay, yeah.
And I'm still young, quite young.
Yeah.
Leonardo, I can't get into character when I have to beat on this old guy in coma.
Hey, if you can't beat up a passed out old man in a wheelchair, what kind of actor are you? You get your shit together, you get in the ring, and you beat up that old man who's in a coma on a wheelchair, covered in string, being puppeted by his agent. Okay?
Yeah, and I was trained to cry, and this just pushes triggers inside me, and it makes me cry, So.
Okay, here we go. Ready to roll. Okay, can we turn the monitor off? Can we turn the heart monitor just for this scene?
Nice.
Okay.
I think he died, but let's not lose daylight, okay? I still need that last paycheck, so the rigor mortis will kick right in. So we still have some time to shoot this scene, okay? Until his body,
thank you, agent.
Till it hasn't become stiff.
Yeah. Okay, Leo, you don't need to be sad anymore. He's dead, right? You're just hitting a piece of meat. You're hitting a dead piece of meat like he did in the Rocky movies. Okay.
That's sad. You're just brutal. Just brutal.
Okay, come, Leo.
Tarantino, come on, stop this man.
You could do this. You could do this. Okay, we got a dead. He's 10 minutes dead. Sylvester Stallone sitting in a wheelchair. You could beat him up, no problem. And action.
Tarantino, please don't make me.
Hey, cut. Stop saying my name in the movie. Okay.
Fucked up, man. I'm beating an old man.
You're beating a dead man. So, action and rolling.
Maybe I could get some drugs.
Are you improvising?
I'm just asking.
That's not in the script. Just follow the script, beat up the dead man, okay?
Just too much. I need something. I need to get.
Do you want a review that says you couldn't even beat a dead man in a boxing match?
Do you want to see a great matchup between two dead people? Well, we can help. We can dig their bodies up, and you can still enjoy the show. Enjoy the show.
Have you got a big girlfriend and you want to know who would win in 1v1 battle? We can make a perfect simulation and show it on a PC monitor. Please call us for a battle simulation with your big wife.
Do you want to have sex with any celebrity? Well, we can make a simulation so it looks like you having sex with Mr. T from the A-Team. Or anybody you like, including an old Tommy Lee Jones from No Country for Old Men. Call us now on fuckanycelebrity.com.
Okay, Lionel Messi. So yeah, it's part of this contract. So we will pay you like 30 mil a season, right?
Yeah.
But you are giving up your image rights, so we can put you in FIFA 2022. We can sell shirts of your name, and proceeds will go to
everything
us.
seems standard.
We will sell you into the fuckanycelebrity.com. All of the image rights.
I'm sorry. I'm used to having my image put on shirts and flags. That's well.
Yeah, it's still happening. Yes.
Yeah, no, that's cool. I'm good with that because I make a lot of money. I make more money through endorsements and product placement than I do playing football. You know that.
Yeah, but let me put it plainly. Like, it's still the end of your career. You are leaving Barca for us, for PSG. And
hey, I'm 33. I'm not that old, okay?
Yeah, but like, you leaving Barca, there will be some hype around that, but then so what I'm saying is you should get all the money you can, and this is a great opportunity. They approached every football club, and because we have so many stars, we have Neymar. Everybody wants to fuck Neymar.
No, I don't think so. I don't think I could do this. You know, I'm a strict Catholic. And if people are having sex with something that looks like me, it feels like I'm breaking God's vow. And I'm cheating on my wife. So I don't think I can do that.
I would like to buy VR glasses. You know, I would like to bang some football players.
Okay. Of course. Why did you wink like that? That was
because I need a special add-on. Right?
Well, you can just buy it in the game. You're trying to signal something.
I need the machine that you can put on your penis.
Oh, right? Okay. Yeah, well. You want the 2-for-1 VR set. One for your head and one for your little head.
I'm looking for the new FIFA, Xbox game.
Okay, yes, we have all of that. We have Xbox 5, and we have the games.
Yeah, I'm looking for the new FIFA.
Oh, I'm trying to signal something to me, which was that Morse code?
No, not Morse code.
I don't know.
I'm looking for the new FIFA. You know what I'm saying? The new FIFA. The new game that was just released. The VR game.
Okay. So you want the beads too. You want the FIFA and you want the anal beads. You can just tell it. You can say it like an adult.
I want the new Lionel Messi flavored version FIFA. Okay? Can we do that?
Hey, Johnny, my dad just bought new FIFA game. You want to try it, Johnny?
Yeah.
He's out now.
FIFA 25?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've heard they have new crazy stuff. You can be a player.
Yeah, and it's PG-18 now, so it should be really interesting.
Oh. Nice.
Hey kids, I'm Lionel Messi. Choose which of these whips you want me to use in this game.
The graphics are so realistic on that one. But you sure it's the correct FIFA?
It says FIFA.
Well,
guys, it's me, Lionel Messi. Choose which of these things you want to put in my ass.
Oh. What? I guess.
Well, if that makes him quicker and stronger in the game, so I guess it's like choosing the kit, whether it's away kit or a home kit.
I just choose the black one. I just go with the black.
Okay, yeah. Let's go with the home whip.
Good choice. Now choose which number you want to play. 6, 9. Or 69.
Well, Messi. He should be number 10, right? Okay, let's just go with 69.
69.
Yes.
Good choice. 69.
So many choices, you know.
I just want to
I
play
just
the
want
game.
to play the
Yes.
game.
That's what I'm saying.
And that whip, it's still,
Okay.
it's only the handle is in, and it's like Messi has a huge tail, and I don't think it's gonna help us win against
He's
Real
all in
Madrid.
leather. Why is he all in leather?
Put on your VR glasses now for maximum enjoyment of FIFA 25.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, no cam.
Oh, fuck yeah, man. Oh, yeah, Messi, fuck me harder. Fuck me harder.
What?
What just happened? What is Messi doing? Why is he doing that?
He's in the middle of no camp, and
he's all naked.
well, maybe it's just a start before the real game starts. So yeah, maybe let's try to skip all the previews, you know, when they come out and the hymn is playing, and let's just get into the game.
Oh yeah, now we've got a Messi coming up. He's taking me from behind. Oh yeah, Messi on Messi action. Things are gonna get messy. Ooh.
Well,
It's you saw that, right? It's sex.
Yeah.
Messi is having sex.
Game pause. Press X to save your progress.
Well, not yet. Damn it.
Do you think life goes so shitty when you get 18 that you have to play such shitty games?
Yeah, I just want to play football, not fuck in the middle of the field and all of those 22 players. I'm sure there will be something even freakier than what we already see.
Boy, you're grown up now. You're 18, so for your birthday, you get the hammer and some nails. The fun is gone now, man. It's only work from now on.
For my 18th birthday, that's all I get?
Yeah. I told you, the fun is over when you get to the puberty.
I thought I would get a car.
Get a car. No, boy. You will from now on.
Oh, I get it. So it's like it's not really a hammer. It's like if I press it correctly, the car will beep, right?
Hey. Treat your parents with some respect. You're an adult now. You will not call us mom and dad anymore. We are landlord and landlady, okay? And you ought to pass rent by the 2nd of every month. You're 18 now.
Yes, you will go to work. You're in school now, but you will have to find a job.
Guys, well, Mr. and Mrs. Well, I'm not gonna call my parents Mr. and Mrs. Landlord. This is all a huge setup, right? Where is the camera?
Boy, it's the surprise for your 18th birthday. That's what we had in mind with your mom.
Well, surprise should have been a new car, and I still don't see any buttons on this fake hammer.
Please, boy, you will earn it with your own hands. You will earn the car. You will get enough money yourself, and you'll buy a new house. You will pay for your university. You will make it everything by yourself.
Am I adopted?
Adopted? No.
I just don't get why would my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Landlord, treat me like that.
Because we treated you for 18 years like a child. We bought you all those games, everything, and we waited for this moment until you grow up.
And now you're up. So
yeah. It's all over now. Your childhood is gone.
What do you think a baby bird does? A baby bird does. They kicked out of the nest. We're not kicking you out. You can stay here. You just got to pay us rent.
Yeah, son, go to your computer and find a job. Okay, please.
Okay, how much? How much you gonna charge me? I don't believe it's happening, but still, how much?
Well, we have a variety of different currencies. We can take euro, we can take Japanese yen, we can take Icelandic kroner, or we can take Danish kroner. Or the Polish zloty. We could take that as well.
Okay, I guess I can take out a couple of bucks from my college savings account, right? For at least for the first year, I can spend a little.
Savings was a lie. You will have to save for the college yourself, boy.
A lie?
Yeah. Listen, we didn't want you to worry about anything growing up, so we lied to you for the past 18 years so you could have a wonderful childhood.
We didn't have a wonderful childhood. Me and my wife, we made cake when we were children. We couldn't eat cake. We just baked cake and just watched it while others bought it and ate it.
And that's the reason why you're putting me through trouble? Aren't we supposed to have better lives than our parents?
You are having.
Yeah. We lied to you for 18 years. That's a good life.
Now, I feel like shit because I need to get a job now on my birthday.
Well, you can start tomorrow.
Now
wow.
Try.
Thank you very much.
You can now try experimenting with the hammer and the nails. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, the hammer, you say? The hammer? The hammer? Okay, come here.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Hitting your parents? Oh God, no.
Just like the games. Okay, the rent is settled.
So there is a crime scene and we're taking pictures now, and there is this...
I'm sorry, can the other guy take the pictures?
Yeah, I'm just...
I don't want you to take the pictures. I want the other guy. I mean...
You want me to take the photos?
Yes.
Captain, why? Why is that?
John to take the photos?
Captain, why is that? I am qualified.
Yeah, you're like too eager.
Yeah, but it's interesting.
You try to play with the format too much. You try to find an interesting angle, and I just want work done.
But come on, you can see the spots. They almost make a pattern here.
Yeah, you like zoom in like real hard, and it's not evident at that point anymore.
But have you seen Sherlock Holmes? Boss, have you seen Sherlock Holmes? There are always small things. You have to take everything, the scene.
Yeah, but...
How does that look, Captain? You like those pictures? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's great. It's normal pictures.
No.
The lighting is okay. Nothing special. No effects. No zoom. We see everything. We see the whole body and not just one hair on the nose.
Thank you, Captain.
What I will take a picture with my phone, okay, boss? Because there is a hair on a socket. It might mean something.
On a socket? Well, that's
on an electrical socket.
Yeah, I understand.
It may
I'll take it with your phone and you just send it to the Viber chat. Oh, he's zooming in again.
Okay, don't worry. I'll take a photo. There we go. You happy, Captain?
Yes. Looks great.
Guys, it's an interesting place. It's a crime scene it tells so much about what happened.
Hey, Sika, you like seeing dead people that are murdered with a hammer and their heads bashed in?
It's not about the dead body. It's about the details, the angle. The hammer has bashed the head. Can you see the angle? It's really like someone really retarded must have.
You're giving such a weird vibes right now.
Because I can see from the angle that
are you the Dexter type?
Dexter? Well, I wasn't the Sherlock Holmes, but Yeah.
You're being real creepy right now.
Because
I mean, you think this is art? The man's throat has been cut and there are droplets of blood all over the walls, and you think this is artful?
It's interesting, there's so many small pieces, like the piece of brain over there.
No, don't touch the evidence. Yeah, you can't make the picture look better by touching the evidence and rearranging it into a more beautiful, picture frame.
Yeah, can you hold the hammer, sir? I need more light.
Okay, we need to arrest you right now. Please put the hammer down. Your prints are, well, it doesn't have your prints because you are in gloves, but don't mess with the evidence, okay?
So why can't you just let me have fun, feel my passion for this thing, this beauty, these patterns of death, boss? It's super interesting, please.
Later
I can stay.
Later in the police department. Okay, yeah, we're gonna take your mugshot right now. You are a suspect in the murder. It's hard to say it because you've been our employee, but Paul will have to take your pictures now for the mugshot, and please don't try to be all weird about it, like trying to find a great. We will just take a normal shot, okay? Please put your chin down. Lower your chin. Not that much.
But it might get the newspapers.
I'm sorry,
it's boss. I can't
take a picture. There we go. Okay, I got it.
Okay, great. Okay, now turn 90 degrees to the right.
Are you sure it's necessary, boss? Because I have an alibi.
You have a what?
I got it. I'm quick.
Okay,
now, can
great
you turn
job,
to the left?
Paul, you are promoted to the head photographer.
Oh my God, thank you. Can you turn to the left?
He's just taking pictures of me. That's bullshit.
I'm just quick.
Am I fired, boss? Is that it?
Well,
I got it. Okay.
You're going to jail now?
Why? I just messed with the
for
body.
The investigation.
Yeah, he was dead. Come on, boss.
You are picking up the evidence. You're trying to.
Please, pretty please. I just want to stay.
It's not pretty please is not gonna work.
Please, boss. Come on. I beg you. Come on, please. I can be a junior or something. I just wanted to get in those crime scenes, boss, please.
Well, if the investigation shows that you are in no way connected to the murder, to the triple homicide, then maybe we will hire you into the media department. You can take good shots for our Instagram account.
Thanks, boss.
But that's gonna take at least 2 weeks until we clear you of the murder.
Thank you. It's my favorite job. Since I was here at the police office, I used to search for bums on the streets and take pictures of dead bums and it was boring, sir. Thank you.
Okay, take him away.
And that's our show, everybody. Thank you.